Hello guys, today we are going to take a problem of converting a string into a zigzag fashion. Uh, I took this problem from Leet code and I thought of solving this. This problem is of medium complexity. Henceforth, I'll be recording videos with problems of complexity level in medium. So with that being said, let's directly jump to this problem. You will be given a string and the number of rows in which it has to be printed in the zigzag fashion. So the given input string is PayPal is hiring. So what you need to, the output has to look like this. It's not exactly in the formatted manner, but for the understanding of the problem, you will be, if you see this in this zigzag way, you will be able to understand. But the output will be three strings, which is PAHN, APL, SIG, and YGR. Given PayPal is hiring and 3. If it is 4, PAN, AL, SIG, YAHR, and PI. So if you closely look at the formatted output, you will be able to get the clue for this problem on how to we solve this. So we have to split the string into three strings. Okay, so the first string should contain P as the starting letter, second should contain A as the starting letter, and the third should contain Y as the starting letter. And the second letter in the middle will be P, and the second letter in the first is A. I think with this you should be able to get one clue. So we traverse top down and then diagonally go up, and then again come down, diagonally go up, come down, diagonally go up, and come down. Okay, so that is the clue that we can see in this sorry, with the output that is given. So let's take the same string and try to uh, take explain with the number of rows equal to 4. So you have PAYP, it diagonally goes up PALISHIR, then it diagonally goes up IHIRING. Even if you take 5, it will go down till 5, it will go up diagonally and then come down, diagonally go up, come down. So if you can understand this clue, then it's very easy. You can directly go ahead and solve the problem by yourself. But if you still could not get the clue here, so I will explain this problem. So I have the result string initialized to blank, and I will initialize a string of strings array, not string of string array, a string array which contain which is of length the number of rows. So since string has the default value of null, I am initializing the entire all the string array in the strings in the string array to empty. That's the first for loop. It's very simple. So I have initialized a variable called position and row index. Row index is num minus 1 because the array indexes in strings are starting from 0 to n minus 1. I would say I have initialized the step to 1. So this is the boundary condition. If the number of rows is 1, you just can return the given input string, right? Yes. And the other condition is if s dot length is less than now. If the string length is less than the number of rows, so you just simply return the string. These are the boundary conditions. So here comes the meat of the program or the algorithm. So what we have to do is we have to traverse through all the elements in the all the characters in the input string. So that's what we are doing for I equal to 0, I less than string dot length, and I plus plus. So since we have initialized the temp array uh, and the given input string is PayPal is hiring and the number of rows is 3, so I will walk you through how it goes. So the temp of position is 0. So the temp of 0, the zeroth array, the zeroth string in the string array with the 0th position will be P, which is this P. If position equal to 0, yes, position is 0 currently. That's what we have initialized. Step equal to 1, so the step is initialized to 1. If position equal to row index, no, it is false. Position equal to position plus step, so it is 0 plus 1 1, so position is 1. For then this next character in the string is A, so temp of position, the first array in the string will have A as the first character here, so A will get appended. If position equal to 0, no. If position equal to row index is the number of rows, the input minus 1, which is 2. No, position is 1 and row index is 2, 1 not equal to 2, then position equal to position plus step, so now position equal to 2. Temp of position, which is what is the third character, I equal to 3, I equal to 2 here, 0 1 2, and temp of 2, which is the second, is the last, the third array, first character is y, pay. So now we have formed the first, we have initialized all the first elements in the three arrays. If position equal to 0, no. If position equal to row index, yes. Position equal to 2, row index equal to 2, then step equal to minus 1. Now we diagonally go up. What we do, position equal to position minus plus step, which is position equal to position minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the next character in the array? P. So P here. So what will happen is, if temp of 1 plus equal to s dot character at a, s dot character is P. So after a, P will get appended. So then now if position equal to 0, no, position is 1 now. If position equal to index, no, it is not the case. Step equal to step minus 1. No, sorry, position equal to position plus step, so position becomes 0. So it goes and initializes the second element in the first row, which is what is the current character? Current character is A is the current character. Temp of position, which is temp of 0 plus equal to temp of 0 equal to temp of 0. Temp of 0 already has P. Is that character at I is A, so it gets appended here. So now if we see, we diagonally went up. Now we have to come down. So why, how? Because the position is 0, we have initialized position equal to position plus step, right? The step was minus 1, now position is 0, step equal to 1. So then we will initialize the second row, which is L. The current character is L. Temp of 1, which is if position equal to 0, step equal to 1, so here step becomes 1, position becomes 1. So temp of 1 equal to temp of 1 plus APL, it will get appended. So it will become APL. Now again position equal to position plus step, which is 2, it goes up, it comes and takes I, then position of 2, second the last array second element gets appended. Now it comes here again, it has to fill this second array. Why it will fill the second array? Because position equal to row index, step equal to minus 1, it will again go up, it will append yes here again. Step position equal to 0 nahi, position equal to row index no, so it will become step equal to step minus 1, it will go and put h here. Now position equal to 0, step equal to 1, after that it will put I, then step equal to position plus step, it will fill R. Now temp is sorry, position equal to row index, which is R, then position becomes minus 1, it will fill I, position minus 1, it will fill N, then it comes down, because position equal to 0, then step equal to 1, position equal to position plus step, it will fill G, and that's the end of the string. So that's how it gets printed. Similar is this explanation for if the row number is 4, first it will start incrementing from 0 p. The array will be of size 4. All the strings in the array will be initialized to blank. Position equal to 0, step equal to 1 as of now, and row index equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3. First it will go to the first array, put to p, position equal to 0, step equal to 1, then increment temp of I, which is the first array, and temp of 1 equal to a, it will come, then temp of 2 will become y, then temp of 3 becomes p. Now position equal to row index, then step equal to step step equal to uh, step minus 1. Oh, step equal to minus 1, not step equal to step minus 1, step equal to minus 1. Since step equal to minus 1, position equal to position plus step, so current position is 3. Now it will fill 2, sorry, 2. So then temp array of 2, which is 0 1 2, a get appended, then L get appended, then I get appended, position becomes 0. If position equal to 0, step equal to 1, then it will start filling down. So the only thing we need to understand is where do we decrement the position, where do we increment the position. We decrement the position when the row index reaches the end of the num, when the row index equal to no, when the, yes, what is this, position equal to row index, sorry, position equal to row index, what is the current position, and the row index remains the same, then we decrement. If position equal to 0, we will start incrementing. This is the algorithm. If we understand this, we will be able to fill the appropriate element in the array and the print. So it took somewhere around 20 minutes for me to get into the logic, and hopefully I have explained you the uh, problem, and this is what is the expected output, and this is how I have submitted. If you take this output and compare with this, it is PAHN, PAHN, APLSIIG, then APLSIIG, YIR. So this is PayPal is hiring when the number of rows equal to 3, and given PayPal is hiring and the number of rows equal to 4, it has to be PIN, first letters 3 letters, PIN, ALSIG, ALSIG, YAHR, YAHR, PI. So these two outputs match the same. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for your time. Let's meet with a different problem in a different day. Thank you guys. Bye.